the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the FOXXD MIRO. So this is a new phone for Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now as of today, June 24th. So this is an interesting smartphone. This is from a company that I've never heard of, FOXXD. So this is what the phone looks like here. It says enjoy what matters most. Specs on the phone are it is a budget phone, so you keep that in mind. So the FOXXD MIRO has a 5.45 inch display, 5M8 pixel autofocus camera, 2,450 mAh battery. So there's the phone right there. It's available for free if you guys switch to Metro PCS and stuff like that. So you do have to put your number over the Metro by T-Mobile to get this phone for free. The full retail price of this FOXXD MIRO is $99.99, so do keep that in mind. So there's the phone right there. It has volume buttons and power button on the right side of the phone. It has a front-facing camera, earpiece. Looks like it's one of software keys, one-screen keys, and it looks like it has an 18:9 screen. So you guys have the light screen right there. I do like the wallpaper, pretty much wallpaper there. There's your volume and power button on the right side. On the back of the FOXXD MIRO, you guys have the camera, camouflage, FOXXD branding, and speaker. The camera layout kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy J series from last year. The back of the phone is plastic, so then you got the back might be removable, it might be, I'm not sure. This left side doesn't appear to have anything on it, but I could be wrong. On the top of the FOXXD MIRO, you guys have a headphone jack and a secondary microphone. On the bottom of the FOXXD MIRO, you guys have a micro USB charging port and shit, so no Type-C on board, so yeah. So it says here, brand new entry-level smartphone is designed for all users who need a affordable smartphone with quality performance. It will give you a different user experience. So this is a budget phone, so to keep it in mind, you do have a vivid viewing experience with a large 5.45 inch display. It's probably FWD. You have an 8 megapixel autofocus camera for capturing snapshots, 5 megapixel front-facing camera for video selfies, fast speed 1.1 GHz Wi-Fi processor, long-lasting 2,450 mAh battery that will give them up to 300 hours of standby time. That's standby time, guys. So yeah. So it has an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera with autofocus, capture snapshots, 2,450 mAh battery, get up to 300 hours of standby time, 5.45 inch screen, enjoy a vivid viewing experience, and it looks like it has a 16:9 screen there, right? Expand your viewing horizon. With an immersive 5.5 inch HD display, the MIRO smartphone guarantees a vivid viewing experience every time. Oh, so it's HD. It's HD. That's pretty cool. I thought it'd be FWJ, but it's HD, 720p HD. That is. And it looks like it might have software keys or physical capacitive keys, maybe, I'm not sure. Enjoy more talk time. The large 2,450 mAh battery gives you up to 10 hours of talk time and up to 300 hours of standby time. So you do get 10 hours of talk time according to this, and 300 hours of standby time. capture brilliance in the shot. The mirror comes with an 8 megapixel autofocus. Rear camera with a 5 megapixel front camera, so you can take crisp snapshots and perfect selfies to show you what you find. Here's a video about the Miro. If you guys want to go right ahead. The FOXXD MIRO also comes with Metro Play. I'll get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play and add all created content from over 50 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. So there you guys go. It has 16 gigabytes of internal storage, about 10 gigs of available GPUs. So do keep that in mind. You have a 5.45 inch display, TFT HD 1080p display, 8 megapixel rear facing camera with autofocus, and flash, 5 megapixel front facing camera. You do get micro SD card expansion. I'm not sure what the max is on the SD card support. Probably 32 gigs or 64. I'm not sure. It says 16 gigs here, but I know that's wrong. The FOXXD MIRO also comes with mobile hotspot. Talk time per hours, like I mentioned. Android 8.1 Warrior, so a bit outdated Android kids understand. So here's Android 8.1 Warrior. I don't expect this one to get pie. I don't expect it to, because I don't. And you have a 1.1 GHz quad-core processor. Probably a Snapdragon processor, I'm not sure which one it is. The FOXXD MIRO is 5.82 ounces, so a bit heavy there. If you guys want to get accessible phone, y'all guys can check it out here, or you guys can try Amazon for accessories to the phone. So there you guys have it, the FOXXD MIRO for Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for free if you guys put your number in Metro, or it's $99.99 full retail price on this FOXXD MIRO smartphone. Specs on this phone, or it's a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. So don't expect a whole lot from this phone. Don't expect a whole lot. Just don't. So this is an interesting smartphone from a company I've never heard of. So if you guys want to check out something interesting, check out the phone from a new company, or from the phones, y'all guys can check out the FOXXD MIRO. It's available now at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys do this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.